Back then, with 100,000 naira, you could buy a proper measuring device. But right now, the good old days. Let's say you don't have any money. Let's assume you have 110 or 120,000 naira, which is around $60 to $70, and you want to buy a brand new smartphone. You can either buy the Redmi A5 or the Itel City 100. But which one is better? Which one deserves to be in your pocket? Which one should you spend your hard-earned money on? And which one are you going to use in public that nobody's going to laugh at you? Now, starting with the build quality, the Itel City 100 is a dust and splash resistant smartphone, while the Redmi A5, well, if that smartphone enters water, there's a high chance that it won't make it. For the design, I think it's a tie because both smartphones look good, especially if you get an attractive color. For the price, they're about the same range, but with the Itel City 100, you get a free gift. You get this MagSafe speaker that makes a big difference. It sounds good, and you can also use it as a stand for the phone. Since they're about the same price, getting a speaker with the Itel is, that's a good deal. That is a very good deal. Now, moving to the external features, both smartphones have a dual SIM card tray and a memory card slot. Both of them have mono speakers, but the Itel is louder. Now, with the Itel City 100, you get an IR blaster, which is missing on the Redmi A5. This feature is popular on Redmi smartphones. How the Redmi A5 doesn't have it, I don't understand. Both of them come with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and they unlock at the same time. So for the external features, the Itel wins? How? Now, moving to the display, the Redmi A5 has a slightly bigger display. Both of them come with an HD IPS LCD panel. On paper, the Redmi A5 offers higher refresh rate at 120 Hz, but the thing is, it only refreshes at 120 Hz in the settings menu and no other place. Once you leave the settings, it refreshes at 90 Hz. And check this out, when you open Google Play Store, it refreshes at 60 Hz. So it's not truly refreshing at 120 Hz, even when you set it to refresh at 120 Hz in the display settings. Redmi, is Redmi trying to trick us or what? I don't understand. While the Itel City 100 refreshes at 90 Hz, no matter what app you open. Also, one thing with the Itel City 100 is the display is noticeably brighter than the Redmi A5. So that's a good thing, especially when you plan to use both smartphones outdoors. Now, in terms of the display quality, they are on par, but when you look at them, the Itel City 100 is brighter, and that would make you pick that phone over the Redmi A5. Now let's talk about the performance, and this is a big section because you want a smartphone that is fast, a snappy smartphone. When you open the app, it opens. The good news is both of them are using the same processor, the Unisoc T7250, so you should expect the same level of performance from both smartphones, right? But not exactly. The Itel City 100 is faster in the sense that it comes with a faster UFS 2.2 storage, while the Redmi A5 comes with the eMMC 5.1 storage. Launching apps is faster on the Itel City 100 because of the faster storage. I mean, look at the read speed, look at the write speed. Now, because the Itel smartphone has the faster storage, using the smartphone, launching apps is going to feel faster on it. In fact, it is 4 times faster than the Redmi A5. An Itel smartphone faster than a Redmi phone? Oh, wow. Now for the operating system, the Redmi A5 is running on Android 15 Go edition, which is in the complete version of Android 15, while the Itel City 100 is running on Android 14. Now, moving to the camera department, both smartphones come with an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, but with the Itel City 100, you get a front flash LED light, allowing you to capture pictures in total darkness. Looking at the image captured by both of them, I prefer the colors of the Itel City 100. It seems more natural. The skin tone on the Redmi A5 looks a little bit too magenta. Now, if you go through most of the pictures I captured, the skin tone on the Itel looks better, as you can see. The Itel also gets the actual color of my shirt. It's off on the Redmi A5. Zooming in, both look sharp and portrait shots look better on the Itel. And here's a video. In my studio, I'm standing in front of the light. Redmi, why? Why? Now, moving to the rear cameras, the Itel City 100 comes with a 13-megapixel primary camera, while the Redmi A5 has a 32-megapixel shooter. Is the 32-megapixel camera better than the 13-megapixel camera? Well, judge for yourself. Looking at the pictures of the flower, both look good, but I prefer the picture captured by the Redmi A5. You can also see my skin better. On the Itel, it's a little bit washed out. For random pictures of trees, grasses, they look the same. Both of them interpret the sky differently, but the Itel is showing the accurate color. Now, when it comes to pictures of human beings, the Itel seems better. It shows better skin tone. Rear camera test, still standing in front of the light. Which one looks better? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully the Redmi will look better. Please. Now for the battery department, both of them come with a 5200 mAh battery cell, and that's enough for average users. That phone, or that battery rather, will last the entire day. But because this is a comparison, we want to know which one is the best. Now, even though both of them come with the same battery cell, the charging is slightly different. The Itel City 100 has the slightly better charging speed. Now, after comparing these two budget smartphones, the one I would pick and the winner of this comparison is, unfortunately, the Itel City 100. Can you imagine an Itel smartphone beating a Redmi smartphone? 2025 is just one kind. I mean, look at the price. The Itel City 100 comes with a mag speaker, which is nice, a nice addition. It has the better build quality, it has the brighter display, and it refreshes at 90 Hz, unlike the 120 Hz that is on the Redmi A5. Also, because it has the faster storage speed, performance is better. The battery is the same, but it charges faster. And even when you compare the cameras, the Itel comes on top. So it's an easy win for the Itel City 100, which I wasn't expecting. So which one are you going to pick? The Redmi because of the name, or the Itel because it gives you better value? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more comparisons like this, you can watch these videos over here. Bye for now.